Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this solid object in Solidworks software. So at first I am taking the new file. Okay. Then I am going to select the MMGS. Okay. Then top plane is taken. Go to the extruder bus and select the center rectangle. Sketch it. Go to the smart dimension and determine it. It will be 80 millimeters and it will be 100 millimeters. Okay, exit it, and it will be upwards 20 millimeters and blind is selected. Okay, then extruder bus select and click here. Go to here, select the normal plane. Go to here and select the corner rectangle. Okay, sketch it. Done. Then go to the smart dimension and determine it. It will be 20 millimeters. Then exit it. Okay, it will be 60 millimeters upwards. Okay, done. 60 millimeters. Okay, done. Then again extrude process select and go to here, select the normal plane and go to the corner rectangle and draw it. Okay, go to the smart dimension and determine the dimension. It will be 40 millimeters and this part also 40 millimeters. I mean it will be a square shape. Okay, exit it, and it will be upwards 40 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I am going to the fillet, select the face fillet. It will be 30 millimeters radius. Select the first page, second page. Okay, done. Then extruder card is selected and click here. Go to here and select normal plane and take this and sketch. Okay, done. Then go to the smart dimension and determine this side. It will be 10 millimeters. I mean radius. Okay, then go to here and select the wall. Okay, done. Then extrude cursor select and click on this face. Go to here, select it. Okay, circle is taken. Draw a circle